Hi, it's Paddy Hirsch of Marketplace. So it's the holidays, which means people are thinking about parties and presents, but a lot of people are thinking about taxes because we're coming towards the end of the tax year. So let's remind ourselves about how taxes work. All right, here's this big bag of money that I earn every year. Actually, it's not that big, unfortunately. Anyway, a sizable chunk of that, all right, I have to declare as taxable income to the IRS. And in the end, I have to pay a percentage of that taxable income to the government. But before I go declaring my taxable income, what I should really think about doing is taking advantage of the charitable tax deduction. Now, what this means is I should basically give a lot of money to charity, all right? Put it in my charity box. Now, there's a number of ways I can do this. I could maybe give away some clothing. I could maybe give away a boat or a car. I could give away some jewelry. I could maybe think about parting with some stocks and shares, some securities. Or I could do it the old-fashioned way and just give them a bunch of cold, hard cash. Say I give away $1,000 worth. What that means is my taxable income is now shrunk by $1,000. Because I'm only paying a percentage of that, it means that I'm paying actually less to the government overall. Now, we pay taxes in a tax bracket system, all right? And depending on how much taxable income you have, you're going to fit somewhere in that system. The more taxable income you have, the higher the bracket you're going to be in, and actually the higher percentage of that money you're actually going to end up paying to the IRS. Now, say you're a wealthy chap and you're at the top of the tax bracket system, all right? You give a large chunk of your money to charity. What you could do is shrink your taxable income to the point where you're actually going to drop into a lower tax bracket. So it means that all of the rest of the money that you have is going to be paid to the IRS at that lower rate. So it means you're going to be paying a lot less overall. Pretty smart, right? It's one of the reasons that Americans are one of the most generous donors to charity. And it's also one of the reasons that come this time of year, wealthy people could be looking to write some pretty big checks.